Giorgio Squinzi has been a vital component of the global ceramic tile industry all his life. While he is involved in many different aspects of the industry, his chief role is as the CEO and sole administrator of the Mapei Group. It is not easy to separate the man from the company because he is the heart of Mapei. Giorgio Squinzi was born into a family that began a small flooring and coatings business in Milan in 1937. He is married and has 2 children who are today part of Mapei. Marco Squinzi is the Director of R&D from Mapei Group, and Veronica Squinzi is Director of Business Development and Planning for New Markets. Giorgio Squinzi attended Università dei Studi of Milan, where he obtained his degree in industrial chemistry. In 2002, Dr. Squinzi was presented with the Laurea ad honorem in chemical engineering by Milan Politecnico University. In 1970, Dr. Squinzi, together with his father Rodolfo Squinzi, established Mapei SNC, expanding the family's original business. At this time, Dr. Squinzi became responsible for research and development activities. Through his efforts, R&D became the vital first pillar in Mapei's vision to continuously produce innovative new products to meet the tile industry's needs. In accord with his father's philosophy of specialization, the second pillar of their vision, Dr. Squinzi focused first on the tile industry and directed the manufacture of tile and stone installation products that still stand at the leading edge of innovation today. In 1976, Giorgio Squinzi became the general manager of Mapei SPA in Italy. 2 years later, he started the company's internationalization program with the establishment of a plant in Laval, Quebec. Innovation opened many doors in Canada, and it was the development of a polymerized mortar that could be applied over a plywood substrate, the Carabon Kerelastic system, that provided an opportunity for the ceramic tile market to grow throughout the Americas. North America was the beginning of Dr. Squinzi's global interest in the tile industry. That first plant in Canada has now grown to 18 manufacturing plants in the Americas, with 15 in North America, and a total of 63 locations around the world. To ensure that Mapei would always have the custom polymers needed to constantly improve mortars, grouts, and surface preparation products used by flooring contractors, in 1994, Dr. Squinzi acquired Vidmercials SPA, with plants in Villadosella and Ravenna, Italy. Polymer production plants were then added in Masconoge, Quebec, and West Chicago, Illinois. Highly aware of the importance of manufacturing associations to the success of the industry, Dr. Squinzi and Mapei work closely with Confindustria Ceramica, the Tile Manufacturing Association of Italy, where he is a member of the board of directors. He also served as the vice president of CEFIC, the European Chemical Industries Federation, and as vice president for technological innovation and research in Confindustria, Italy's organization of industrial manufacturing. In March 2010, Dr. Squinzi received a special appointment to the new team of Confindustria, where he will represent Italian manufacturers in Europe. Mapei has been strongly involved with the tile associations in North America, including, of course, the National Tile Contractors Association. In recognition of his efforts to manufacture responsibly and with great care for the environment, Dr. Squinzi has 6 times been elected as the president of Federchimica, the National Federation of Chemical Industries in Italy. To emphasize Dr. Squinzi's commitment to the environment, Mapei has introduced technologies that reduce dust in the workplace and prevent the growth of mold and bacteria in mortars and grouts. Under Dr. Squinzi's direction, Mapei Americas became a member of USGBC in 2001 and Canadian GBC in 2008. The company has introduced more than 100 products with Mapei's green innovation that help contribute to LEED certified projects. In addition, Dr. Squinzi has been instrumental in the strategic acquisition and positioning of plants to serve customers regionally. And Mapei has introduced innovative new products that use recycled materials, both strong areas of emphasis in the LEED program. Dr. Squinzi has long been active in international standardization of the tile industry. Since 1989, he has been the convener of TC67WG3, which developed the European norms on tile setting materials, now transformed into ISO 13007. These standards have recently been adopted by TCNA and will appear in their new 2010 handbook. To support his global participation in the tile industry, Dr. Squenzi speaks fluent English, French, German, and Spanish in addition to his native Italian. A strong believer in an active mind and body, Dr. Squenzi has supported cultural organizations such as La Scala Opera in Milan and the San Bernardino Symphony in California. Mapei also organizes a Mapei Day each July, where international customers come together for cycling, running, intramural competitions, and a lot of fun at Mount Stelvio, Italy. Mapei also maintains a sport research center for athletes in Castellanza, Italy, and has sponsored professional teams such as the Italian cycling team, the Italian soccer team that won the last World Cup, and today is a supporter of Sassuolo, Italy, Serie B soccer team. Dr. Squenzi's interest in sport has led to Mapei's involvement in the construction of global Olympic venues since 1972, including many tile and stone installations at the Vancouver 2010 Olympic venues. One of the most significant results of Giorgio Squenzi's dedication to the industry is that Mapei has never had to reduce its workforce, now numbering 7,000 globally. Nor has he ever had to use government funds to finance reductions in operations. Family is all important to Mapei and to Dr. Squenzi. Giorgio Squenzi's knowledge, education, and experience have helped the tile industry grow on a global level, and his leadership at Mapei has brought strength and resilience to the tile and stone installation system sector.